sound? Next sound? What sound? Good. Next sound? What sound? The sound is ready. What sound? Good. Next sound? What sound? Good. Let's go back to this sound. Ready? What sound? Good. Next sound? What sound? Good. Next sound? What sound? Good. Next sound? What sound? Good job. Okay, let's read this word. First sound. What word? Is. Good job. You just look at me. We're gonna get. Can you read this first word for me? Can you read this first word for me? Use your finger. Let's see. Use your pointer finger and use your word. Go ahead and go.
At.
Say it fast.
At.
Good. What word is that?
At.
Good job. Say it fast.
That.
Good. You got another word. Evan, give me 5. Good job. How about this one? What about this word? Read this word with your finger. Say it fast.
Yeah.
Ear. Show me yours. Say it fast.
The.
Good. That's the. This word. Do this word. Start over here. Ready? You start over here in the big ball. Start on the big ball. Ready?
It.
Good. Blend it again. You do. Met. Say it fast.
Met.
Met. That's right. You. Evan. Yep. Evan was born in November, and it's now January. You're only about 3 years, 2 months old, and you're starting to read. You're on lesson.
We got 19. We need to review some.